So, this is Nigel, Kitchen Mishap, and I'm just going to have a go at a little tutorial to help record from VCV Rack to your DAW when you don't have the plug-in capability, when you don't have Pro, when you haven't got VCV Rack Pro. So here's computer, and you've got VCV Rack on it. And obviously you can tell it to send your outputs to your speakers or your headphones or whatever. You've also got inputs. You could drive some inputs from a microphone, for example. Then you've got this DAW software, Reaper in my case, and again you can send that to various output places, and you can also tell it to record from various input devices. And these inputs and outputs are sort of on the edge, the outside of your laptop, your computer. So, I mean, one way would be to plug a cable and loop it round, but that's just silly. You get feedback and all sorts of things, and it's not what we want. So we're going to look at using a virtual audio device. So here's the concept. The one Sarah mentions is Black Hole, but that may be just for Mac. So I found this other one, VB cable. There's another one, Q Jack or something, Q Audio Jack or something, but some people have had problems with that. For example, it got quarantined by my antivirus software. So it's basically simple, very simple idea. These virtual audio device is they pretend to be an output, so you can tell your software to output to this thing, this virtual audio device, and they also pretend to be an input, so you can tell your software to take its input from the virtual audio device. And sneakily inside your computer, it just sticks one into the other. So you can tell VCV Rack to output to this particular output device, which is your virtual audio device, like VB cable or something. And then you can tell Reaper to take its input from that same place. So it's like a virtual cable inside your computer. So this is where you get it, vb-audio.com/cable/index.htm, and they've got it for Windows or Mac, which might be handy. Um, Not for Linux, I don't think. It's donationware, so you can pay them money if you want, but this link just takes you to a download page where you can download it. So I've already downloaded it, so hopefully I can show it working. Let's unmute my desktop audio, right? And then I'll open up VCV Rack. There we go, and we've got our default synthesizer. Our output is set to no device, so I'll send that to, oh, where shall I send it? I don't know if it's gonna, don't know if you're gonna hear this, but I'll send it to my monitor. That'll probably work, yeah. And I'll press the Z key, and I'll get a click from my speakers because they're not turned on. Press the Z key, and I get a bow. Okay, so that's going to my speakers. Let's open Reaper. There's Reaper. It's suggesting I buy it. Yeah, still evaluation, I think. I'm thinking of getting Ableton, but we'll see, just because everyone else uses it. Right. So on Reaper we'll need a track and we'll need an item. So let's insert empty item. Let's make it a bit bigger. And oh yeah, we've got to go to our preferences, haven't we? So I always forget where this is. View. Can anybody see it? Edit maybe. Insert items and options. Preferences. Let's try that. So we've got device. There's lots of options here. We've got device, got input device. I've already got it set. So I could set it to my microphone, or I can do this VB audio virtual cable, which is the thing that we just installed, except I didn't install it. So it didn't show you installing it. So we set that. Okay. And then on here, we go out to the VB audio virtual cable. And then we record arm. So that's that button. And we start recording. And there it goes, ticking along. Then we come over here, don't forget to press the window and press the Z. And nothing happens. Hmm. Okay, so I think I found the problem. It is here. I said on Reaper, I said the input device was the cable VB audio output. I think we want the input. Oh, maybe not. Cable output. Maybe this needs to be cable input. Cable in, cable input. Right. Okay, let's try that. You gotta laugh. So click on here, record on that, record, click on here, press Z. Round of applause, please. And we'll have a D as well. There we go. Okay. And we stop. And we've got this recorded file. And then we'll save it. And then we can wonder if you can save that somehow. Items, properties. Take name. I wonder if we can find the file. Maybe I'll leave that for another. Okay. Well, there goes. There we go. Okay. Bye.